Welcome to Industrial Transformation World News, as we bring you the latest news and technologies shaping the global digital manufacturing industry. This is our first video in a couple of months, as we've been busy finalizing our new digital manufacturing platform, Industrial Transformation World. The platform is now live, and its aim is to connect manufacturers with experts and knowledge from around the world who can help companies with their digital transformation journey. We realize that over the last 18 months, companies are understanding that digital adoption and implementation is essential. And here at Industrial Transformation World, we are building a global network of experts to help companies get their digital transformation right. We've got experts in industrial transformation from the UK, USA, Germany, India, and Singapore on board for the launch. If you need advice on any aspect of digital technology, or are a company or university interested in joining with us, please get in touch. Nokia has announced it has launched the industry's first cloud-native, mission-critical industrial edge solution to allow enterprises to accelerate their operational technology digitalization initiatives and advance their journey to Industry 4.0. The new Nokia MX Industrial Edge is a scalable application and compute solution designed to meet the mission-critical digital transformation needs of asset-intensive industries such as manufacturing, energy, and transportation. It uniquely combines compute, storage, wired or wireless networking, one-click industrial applications, and automated management onto a unified on-premise OT digital transformation platform. Aveva, a global leader in industrial software and digital transformation, has published the findings of an extensive survey that interviewed 850 digital transformation experts across industrial companies. It reveals that 85% of businesses plan to increase their investment in digital transformation over the next 3 years, with key areas of investment being used to tackle climate change, embrace automation, and unlock the performance benefits of advanced technologies. 90% surveyed see combining advanced technologies such as the Industrial Internet of Things, AI and cloud with their team's insights as key to driving better performance in a post-pandemic world. In other news, Swedish industrial conglomerate Volvo announced plans to further increase their collaboration around digital engineering with PTC. Volvo Group has decided to unify its CAD platforms, and the agreement positions PTC's products as the primary CAD and PLM solutions used in the Volvo Group for complete vehicle design. Commenting, Lars Stenqvist, Chief Technology Officer at Volvo Group, said using one PLM and CAD platform will act as a key enabler in our digital engineering transformation, and leveraging this foundation, we see great possibilities in connecting PTC's IoT and AR solutions into our digital thread strategy. MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, has just announced a new professional certificate program in Industry 4.0. The course will cover leading technology developments such as IoT and AI, and provide understanding of the fundamentals of smart manufacturing and product platforms. MIT says it will prepare professionals to tackle challenges head-on and provide them with the knowledge and tools to succeed in the digital age. It is a 12-month online course and is aimed at both individuals and organizations. Registration is now open, with the course starting in February 2022 with a price of $12,750, although there is an early bird discount for bookings made by October 28th. We're now going to give you some recommendations on companies who can help with your digital industrial transformation. First up, we start with Platane, an award-winning leading provider of intelligent automation and optimization solutions for advanced manufacturing. Platane's intelligent, connected digital assistants take manufacturing to the next level by automating and optimizing decision flows on the production floor. Combining state-of-the-art AI with extensive manufacturing knowledge, Platane's cloud-based solutions continually assess current status and predict future events. Platane is trusted by some of the world's biggest discrete manufacturers, such as Airbus and General Electric. Next up, Forcam, who are one of the world's leading solution providers in the field of production control and IoT. They have built a solid global reputation for results in productivity delivery. Launched in 2001, their first deployment was with Mercedes-Benz, and since then, they have evolved into a comprehensive IoT solution partner with a high-performance manufacturing 4.0 platform and a vital ecosystem. Today, their turnkey and freely extensible cloud platform solution is used by large and medium-sized companies including Airbus, Lockheed Martin Audi, BMW, Daimler, and many more, with over 100,000 machines monitored with 4Cam technology worldwide. And last up is leading automation and sensor company IFM, who are also one of the pioneers in Industry 4.0. Formed in 1969, IFM has developed, produced and sold sensors, controllers, software and systems for industrial automation worldwide. With over 7,300 employees worldwide in 95 countries, IFM are a driver of industrial digitalization with a vision of cutting-edge technology available to all. What connects Platane, 4Cam and IFM is that they can all be found on the new Industrial Transformation World Platform, where we connect you to world-leading experts, companies, technologies and knowledge to help get your industrial transformation started. We hope you've enjoyed this week's episode, and if you like what we do, please subscribe. If you have any news to share with us, please get in touch and email us at info@industrialtransformationworld.com. See you next time.